Hello, I'm Duff, and this is part 2 with the AR and my pistol. Pistol I've already put away. Now I've got my AR15, mag out, simple stuff. And that's where we're going to start. I don't really need this here, it's just for show and tell kind of thing. So really, that's there. Now we'll just get on with the assembly. AR15, we all know what they are. So black. So this is technically your. It's not an A4. I don't know what the variant would be, but A1 has the big non-collapsible stock. A2 has the collapsible stock, but A2 does also have, because this is a removable top, carry handle. So A2 has this type of upper receiver. So I'm just gonna pull this down because it allows you to slide it off. I'm not going full on, you know, oh my god, he's gonna do it all. So here, I'll just put that back on my shoulder. You pull back on this ring, removes your front guards. Best way to always do it: pull down, gravity, switch hands, pull from the bottom out, and then down, because it clips up in like that, and then the ring goes over top. This is just field stripping, exactly what we do in the military, except we wouldn't take our scope off. I'm taking that off because it's not sighted. I don't really carry it at this moment. Okay, has a forward assist. Yes, the bolt is in it. So single hand. Where is it? Right there. Lock the bolt back. But now you can't take it apart. So forward assist. I'm not going to point and shoot it anywhere. It is not loaded, obviously. I don't plan on shooting off loaded guns in my own house. Unless I had a range in my house. And I don't. I'm going to close the ejector port. God, it's so loud. Okay, so just going to pull the pins out. And simple like that. Separate. I'm going to push the pins back in just to get it out of the way. Okay. Pull out your bolt. Simple. We all know how to AR15 is. If you don't, then it's news. But if not, there you go. So remove your charging handle. It's literally, you go in and then there's a little groove cut out about, say, 1.5 inches in. That's where these two little grooves on the charging handle go. And that's it. That is your upper. I'm not going to take any more of this apart. Whoever did this did some weird milling shit and tried to make things work. Yeah, it's because it's rubbing on it right now. Okay, so I'll put this on there. Push on your buffer pad. A little pin down. There we go. Yep. Use your charging handle. You gotta cock your hammer. Pull it out. So here's the things. And in A1s, you'll have a long buffer bolt piece because it's really long. This is small because it's made to allow you to collapse the stock. Or no, it don't fucking matter. I don't know why they made it small. I think it's just for weight. It only goes in safe when it's cocked. Has the ambidextrous, everything. So for me, the mutant, I can, because I'm left-handed, I could use it. It's ambidextrous functions, not ambidextrous everything. Okay, so this is easy. Take out your pin, slide that forward. That released your firing pin. Slide that sideways, pull it out, and then there you go. There's the front end of your bolt. This I have shut off. It is dirty. Now I can pull out the extractor pin, and that would release that. But right now, that's not what I'm doing. I don't need to modify mine into a fully automatic because I'm not a psycho. I'll leave that job to be for another country. And I'm not military anymore, so it's illegal. Prohibited. I don't have my prohibited license. There's no point in me having an automatic weapon. I can pull it fast, not as fast as an automatic obviously can, but pretty damn close. you can assemble your rifle within about a minute and a half to disassemble. And that's field stripping. What did I do wrong? Oh, I'm an idiot. So that's my firing pin that fell out. That is a big fail. So I can't believe it is. Okay. That cotter pin goes on the back side of that. So the cotter pin has to go on this side, not that side. I screwed up and I put it on this side. That's why she fell out. Not paying attention, trying to rush things. You cannot rush things. Seems a little hard to get in. There we go. That's how it's supposed to be. Wow. Oh yeah, pins on this side. God, it has been so long. This is why you got to keep familiar with your guns. If you don't remember where things are, you won't know. So that's my AR15. It's a Chinese model. I don't care for the American model. I don't need to spend out the ass. I'm sorry, but you still buy your parts in China. Not saying these here, but yes, there are gun makers in Canada, US, where all over the world. It's not about, oh, I gotta have $2,000. You know what? This 223 will kill something just as good as an identical American 223. Will it last longer? I don't know. Do they know? No, because we're not going to live long enough to see if it outlasts. But honestly, all I can say is, if you spend $2,000 on one of these, I'll buy 4 of these, because I paid $500, and that's Canadian, so 2,000 Canadian to a fucking, because they're so cheap. Identical to this, to an American version, I guarantee this will last about half as long as your 4 times expensive American gun. It's not going to jam up any worse. If you don't clean it and that shit, sure, it's going to mess up. That's what all guns do. But it's not a quarter of the quality for a quarter of the price. It's a quarter of the price for half the quality. And you know what? It wasn't about being a psycho with a fucking AR-15. It was about having a gun that was to continue my training in the military. That's all. So I'm Duff, middle of nowhere. That's my guns. My service variant guns from the military. Identical to what we use. We use a C7 and a 226. I have an AR-15 and a 228. Chinese variants. Like, subscribe, comment. And like always, have a good one.